y'all, it's been a while, but welcome and welcome back. My husband and I went to a local, really mom and pop grocery store that we love. They are very affordable, especially during these hard times where prices are through the roof. We go to a spot where you can get 5 for $25. It used to be 5 for $20, but we double up on these and put them in the freezer. But we got these wings and we are going to cook them up. I'm not going to grill, y'all. It is too hot. I am not going too much into the heat outside, and plus on top of that fire, that's just too much. We're going to season these babies up and place them in the oven, and they're going to taste just like barbecue wings. I have a special ingredient that I will use, and I think you will love it. So let's get started. You see me in shorts here and then my dress top. I'm working, I work from home. So yep, we're in meetings today, but I just need to get dressed from the waist up. All right, so let me go ahead and add these chicken wings. I was trying to wait for these to thaw, but I needed to hurry up. This is gym day and I need to get these babies cooking. So what I'm gonna do is take these babies and clean them thoroughly, okay? And then I will pat them dry and we're gonna add the seasonings. And y'all, here are the seasonings that I will use today. We have our garlic powder. We have Uncle Dave's spices and rubs barbecue seasoning. Guys, this is so good. The company, Uncle Dave, sent this to me to try out. So we did a collaboration. It was delicious, okay? So I recommend you going to the website. I will put this in the description box below, but it is so good. I mean, you don't need to grill to add this. Perfect on baked meats. Then we have my liquid smoke that is the secret ingredient that makes it taste any food, any chicken, any steak, anything you like. This is gonna make it taste like it's straight off the grill. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Lowry seasoning salt and of course black pepper. Feel free to add onion powder if you'd like. I'm just not adding it this time. Now let me warn you, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I don't measure, okay? When I'm just making chicken wings or just chicken breasts, chicken thighs, make it your own, okay? So I'm gonna first start with my garlic powder and I'm just going to dump this in, honey. I think it's enough. I love seasoning. That's one thing you'll know here. We do not skip on seasoning. I'm gonna go in with my Uncle Dave spices and rubs. You don't need a whole lot of this, but it's so flavorful, okay? So I'm gonna leave it there. My husband loves seasoning, so we're gonna do that. All right, so and then I add my black pepper just to taste. I love black pepper too. All right, and then we have our liquid smoke. A little goes a long way, so I'm not going to add too much, but we have about, what, 8, how many wings in here? So I want it coated, okay? So not too much, but I will list approximations in the description box of the measurements, but again, I just don't really measure. I'm gonna add some more of the Uncle Dave's here, just a little bit. I love a good seasoning, y'all. All right, and then we're doing this the easy way. Usually I just season this in a bowl and just kind of move it around with my hands. But today I'm trying to be clean. I have appointments. I have to go to the gym today too. So we're gonna make this easy. I'm making this during one of my breaks from work. That's the beauty of working from home. You can do all this cooking early on and definitely meal prep. But my husband wanted some chicken wings and it is too hot, y'all. It's like 115 degrees. Well, heat index anyway. Too hot. But this is a great substitute and an easy weeknight meal. I'm gonna add barbecue sauce. Now you can eat these just baked, but my husband requested barbecue sauce on them today, so that's what we're gonna do. You know, I wish I could taste this raw chicken to make sure it's seasoned well, but as you can see, let me bring you down. It looks very, very good. It looks very seasoned. Very seasoned. You can never season chicken too much, you know, so I may add a little more. Y'all, I thought I was filming, but I added a little bit more garlic powder. That's all I'm going to add, and I really could add some more. I don't want to add too much of the seasoning salt because I don't want it to be too salty by any means, and plus I'm adding the barbecue sauce, so we don't want that. So I think this is good, y'all. But you just shake it, blend it well. I'm gonna set these aside. I should have added this first, but yep. You wanna just coat these with some olive oil. All right, one more shake. One more shake. And we are gonna set this aside. I'm gonna get my baking dish together and we'll go from there. All right, we're going to now transfer my wings. And I really could just dump these. And I hope this is a big enough pan. We'll see here. I really want to add some more seasoning. I love seasoning. Love some well-seasoned chicken, y'all. Nobody wants any chicken that's just bland. All right, is this gonna be enough room? Let's do this. There we go, T. All right, so these are perfectly placed in this baking dish, and I have my oven preheated. I'm just going to let these cook slowly. We're gonna cook these at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes, okay? I'm gonna place this in the oven. And y'all, while my chicken is cooking, I think I'm gonna pair this with my rice-a-roni chicken flavor. You cannot go wrong with this, honey. This is always a good staple. So we're gonna do this, and we have been on a corn on the cob kick lately. So I may do corn on the cob, but I kind of want to get a green vegetable in. So if not, it'll be broccoli, Old Faithful broccoli. All right, y'all, and here is the chicken. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Look at this, y'all. Doesn't this look amazing? So what I would typically do is just start applying my barbecue sauce on these, but I want them on the bottom too. I want them completely coated. So I'm gonna allow this to cool just for a little bit, and then I am going to drench this with some delicious barbecue sauce. And then we'll put them back in the oven just to warm through. But this is it, guys. So I'll be back once these cool. My corn is about ready. And the rice is ready. This is gonna be so good. I don't know where my apron is, so pray for me, y'all. Don't get that on this shirt, but I gotta keep it moving. So I allowed these chicken wings to cool for about 30 minutes. They're still warm, but I'm just gonna dip them. I placed a little bit of barbecue sauce, and the barbecue sauce, of course, of choice is Sweet Baby Ray's. You already know. I have to have this. It's a must, okay? So I just squeeze some of this in this bowl, and then I'm just going to take this and make sure it's perfectly coated, all these wings, and place them here in my pan. So I got another pan, a clean pan, and I lined it with aluminum foil. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on with this, and we'll get on to the next step. My oven is still preheated at 375 degrees. Trying to get it all soaked on that bottom. You can add some more sauce. Hope you all are having a great day. And let me know in the comment section your favorite way to make chicken wings. It's been so hot here that we really haven't enjoyed too much of outdoor barbecuing. We don't really have a spring here in the South. It's so hot. I don't like hot weather anyway, and then plus over a fire, no ma'am. So this is the next best thing. All right, squeeze these in. And one more, and I may add some more sauce here. So far, so good. Nothing on my shirt. Never fails. I should have changed it, but I have to go somewhere, y'all, in a few minutes, and I don't want to get undressed to get dressed again, but I can't find my apron. That's gonna be a must. I think my husband put it in the wrong place after I washed it. I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all. So this is the last one. I hear Layla over there. When she sees food, she starts whining. Okay, I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna add the rest of this sauce, y'all, just to this, okay? Let me move this over here so you can see it. I'm just getting all the rest of this out. Ooh. It's my husband, one thing about him, he loves some sauce, okay? He'll probably add more when these come out. And this is it, guys. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna place this back in the oven and we're gonna allow it to cook, I'd say for another 15 minutes or so, and then I will turn it on broil. All right, guys, and this is what we're looking like. I turned the oven to broil and placed the chicken back in the oven for about 2.5 minutes. I really could put it back in. It depends on how crispy you want it. If you want it really golden brown, almost like a crispy skin, keep it in longer, but keep an eye on it. Here comes Layla. She smells the goodness. But this is dinner tonight, guys. And my husband, like I said, this is plenty of barbecue sauce for me, but he'll probably add some more. Here is the rice-a-roni. I love a good rice-a-roni. And our corn on the cob. And that is dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.